Now on this one, I just cut it here, and I took my nail puller and I started splitting it off and stuff until I got it down to here. And I think, so I got a little crescent wrench. I guess I can get it off. Look at that. That way it won't pop the stucco out. This one over here kind of pulled that out a little bit. And I actually have a couple more. And they're sticking out just barely. This one here is only sticking out a quarter of an inch. Yeah, I thought maybe I could do it. Wants to go. Nope. Maybe I could put it on like that and use my screwdriver as a ratchet. Let's see. Nope. So that's not going to work. I had some vice grips. I could probably grab it and untwist it a couple times to take it out with this. Or I could dig out. I can dig out a little bit of the wood with my nail puller. Now maybe I can do it. Get it on there further. Oh yeah. It's coming. Let's get this ladder moved over a little bit so I can just twizzle this off. You know, a few tools. I try to make do with what I have, and generally I find a way, one way or another, I'll get it out. It's only 3 inches long. That's it. Shame on them. Now this is taking up all of the weight of the joists that are coming across, the floor, all of the tiles. If that lets loose, this could sag down, break the stucco out, whatever. So it's always a good idea. If you're going to use lag bolts, get the right length. And what I usually do is, however big I get, I'll usually get a washer for it. And then I measure how big that washer is, take a paddle bit, figure out where I want to drill it, drill a hole through there, take a paddle bit, and sink it in so it's the depth of the washer and the head. Okay? Then I can take a ratchet, and this will sink right in flush with the wood. But in this case, as long, you know, I put the next piece up, if I didn't do that, it's okay if I let them stick out, as long as they're not on the 16-inch layout. So I'll have to figure out where the floor joists go in relation to how long the plywood is, where I'm going to start the plywood, and then after I get it marked, then I can figure out where to drill these holes. Then I don't have to countersink them. Okay? Well, you just think about different things, and you'll get it. Yeah. Okay, so I got one more bolt to take out over here, and then the rest of this, I'd probably just cut it in half. It's still nailed with some nails through into the stucco that they use their nail gun. And so I'm still going to have to work at it a little bit, not too much, to get this out. Okay? Keep her going. We're getting there. I did not cut that with my sawzall yet. I'm trying to save my blade if I can. See if I can't get this off. I got the big lag bolts out, so it's only attached with a few nails into the stucco. We'll see. Yeah, we'll see, all right. I'm afraid if I try to do it too much, because it's such a big piece, I'm gonna go into the stucco. Yeah. I don't know. I think I should cut this. I'm going to cut it in half with my sawzall. That way I can take it off in 2 pieces. Okay, no problem. Can do. Well, that was good. I like that sharp blade. So I took the sharp blade. I went down about halfway. And then I came back up. Once I got up to here, I could just cut it straight in. And I could tell when it hit. See, this is a little short of the 2x6 cut straight up without digging in first. That's why I wish I had some 9-inch blades, but I don't. I still make it work. Oh, come on. There it is. Now the blocks I got down there, I've been tapping the nails over. You know, just don't forget that. It's a very important issue, especially if you step on it, you feel like you have to go to the hospital, or you feel like you have to stop for the rest of the day because your foot is really super sore. All that kind of stuff. I just spent a couple extra minutes making sure I have a safe environment to work in, a safe job site. Whoa. Wow. What's up with that? I didn't see any more bolts in here. I took this bolt out. So it's really nailed in there good. They probably plastered it with nails. Some of these blocks, just that short block might have 6 nails in it. Nope. Let's try this. Well, there's a nail right here. That's how you work a nail puller. If you can't get it out, just hit it with the hammer right here. got it almost all the way up. Take your hammer, you can pull it this way, or you can take it sideways. Bend it sideways. A lot easier. There's another nail here, so I might as well dig these two out and then try to get this out of here. And see, I could go along there and look at for all the nails and do it that way. Or not. Oh. I'm prying against plywood up here, not the stucco. I don't want to go down below. If I do push in, I could just go right through the stucco. Not that I would have to patch the stucco, mind you, but you don't have to do all that if need be. Good grief. I'm up above the stucco, so I can pry on that and see if I can get these nails out that way, or with my hammer. Worked. If you can't get them out, just use your pliers and bend it back and forth, and it will snap off, and then you can tap in the excess. Ooh, well, I'm getting there. I'm getting there.